What makes a building strong? Can you guess? Pillars. Yes, you are right. English needs grammar to stand. Hello, welcome to Grammar Lessons. I'm Anurag. In this video, I am going to talk about grammar and its parts. Also, we will talk about language and literature. Let's begin this lesson. What is grammar? It's the study of how to write and speak correct English. Grammar is like a building which has 5 pillars. First pillar is orthography. Ortho means letter and graphy means study. So it's the study of letters. The second pillar is etymology. Etymo means words and logy means study. It's the study of words. The third pillar is syntax. Syntax is the study of sentence structure. Like Anurag teaches English, syntax is the road. Punctuation tells you when to stop, slow down, comma, or look around, question mark. The fourth pillar is punctuation. It is the study of different marks like commas, full stop and question mark. The fifth pillar is prosody. Prosody is the music of language. It's the study of meters. Language is talking and writing of common people, and literature is talking and writing of learned people. Thanks for watching. Good luck for studies.